Ignoring red flags during hiring can lead to costly mistakes. Imagine hiring someone who doesn't fit, causing team morale to plummet. Addressing these issues early can save time, money, and stress. Poor hires can disrupt productivity and create tension. It's crucial to recognize red flags early to ensure long-term success. Let's explore how to spot these warning signs before it's too late. Vague job descriptions can attract unqualified candidates, wasting valuable time. Ensure clarity to align with company values and culture. Overly demanding requirements may deter potential talent, so balance is key. Inconsistent interview questions can lead to biased decisions. Structured interviews help identify key qualities and potential red flags. You can find a video guide on this topic within Talent Lab or request training with one of our advisors. Training all interviewers within your business ensures a fair and effective process. A well-structured interview process is crucial. It helps uncover candidate strengths and weaknesses. Consistency in questioning ensures a level playing field for all applicants. Frequent job changes without clear reasons can indicate instability. Lack of enthusiasm during interviews may signal disinterest. Be cautious of candidates who speak negatively about past employers. Spotting red flags in candidates is vital. Look for genuine interest and preparation. A positive attitude towards past experiences often indicates a reliable and adaptable candidate. References offer insights into a candidate's work ethic. Ask the right questions to uncover potential issues. Cross-referencing information from multiple sources ensures a comprehensive evaluation. Implement a feedback loop to refine your hiring process. Encourage open communication among hiring teams to share insights. Regularly update hiring criteria to align with evolving company needs. By improving your hiring process, you'll attract better talent and enhance team dynamics. Try an HR audit to review your current practices and make necessary adjustments for future success.